Entonces, youtubers, ya tenemos aquí la segunda parte de la pelea. Ya tenemos los finalistas en los caballos en mi canal, mis caballos. Ahora tenemos a Homero el malo versus Robin. Y con esto sí vivo. Así que, muchachos, comenzamos el segundo torneo de pareja. Se está conociendo de Argentina, Ahí están los desafíos que tenemos. Homero tuvo su primer día de canal TT que tuvo en Steve para arriba. Ahora tiene un compañero de pareja, Robin. No sé si su compañero le sirve esta vez. Y si no, viste la cabeza. No, es Argentina, no. No sé, me chupa la pija. Me chupa la pija fuera de aquí, nana. Yo te lo advertí. ¿No ves? Ya voy a... Estos luchadores me sacó a alguien. No sé a quién. Ahí está. Homero el malo. Hay dos Homero malos. Uno el campeón del canal de Lilo y el otro de mi canal. Si no pudo con el campeón en Steve, va a tener cinturón de pareja con su compañero. Homero el malo. Ahora van a hacer. Mira esto, Lady Logan. Ahí está su compañero, Robin. Yo sabía. Tiene un bastón. No es el mismo Robin que se afectó con los pianillos. Hay otro Robin, es un clon del otro Robin. Y se unió con el Homero malo. Ellos van a tener los cinturones de pareja de Raw. Y después que termine el torneo, haré el otro torneo. ¿Quiere arrebatar los caballos en el Illinois y los cinturones en mandado? Ahí están los rivales. Si a estos tipos no hacen con nada, son legendarios, no hacen con nada. Oye, maldito bastardo. Pegaste a mi compañero. Imbécil, ya no lo vas a pagar, la nota en el bulldog.
He's starting to stumble here, and you have to assume his partner is just itching to get in there right about now. He obviously came into this match intent on taking the fight to the outside as much as he could, though I'm not sure that's the right approach. He's simply reminding him that he's here. Guys, the tag team scene in WWE right now is so impressive, and these two tandems are a lot of the reason why. Whatever the outcome here tonight, this Brooklyn crowd is sure to be satisfied with this one. When this guy's on, look out. Hits with a clothesline.
Ahí está Bobby, está luciéndose la pelea.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Lands the elbow drop. Look out! Reverses that one. You're going to want to avoid that knee. Simpson with the tag.
Ahora va Homero Simpson.
Looking at it here. Choke slam. Did you see the height on that one? That's what he was looking for, Michael. Absolutely punishing. Oh, man, what a hit. Drops right off the apron.
Ja 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 ja. Ahora vas a ver. Bici araña, llegó tu telaraña. Vino el homero malo y se la violó. Ahora vas a ver, imbécil. El beso de homero malo.
Interesting choice of moves. This one is over. And this has got to be it.
Oh, idiota, yo.
He misses on that one. Were his eyes even open?
Ya me ataste, ya me ataste.
Look at this. Taken out with a Russian leg sweep. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Here's a one-man gang in there.
Ahora vas a ver.
He's looking at it.
Toma.
Choke slam. Here's his moment, Michael.
Voy a cortar esta puta.
Dodges that one.
Oh, se enojó.
When his strikes land, you can feel it in the first few rows. Plenty of force behind that knee. Oh, man, what a hit. Drops right off the apron. He's not getting up. You can't like his chances right now. Just making his presence felt there.
Oh, se enojó.
Punishing attack on the body. Here we go a second time.
Bici araña, llegó tu telaraña. Vino el homero malo y se la violó. Ahora vas a ver, hijo de puta, ya me hiciste cabronar. Eres un hijo de puta. Eres el beso, el homero malo.
Just when you thought he had nothing left, shoulders down, this could be it. Will this be it?
Contá.
Testament to grit. He needs change something fast, guys. There goes the official. Not gonna lie, that would hurt. Well-executed clothesline. He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Ain't no stopping him now. There's the man. Can his opponent
Contá, Messi. Contá.
He might just be out, guys. I agree. He hasn't moved one bit.
Idiota, vete.
Desperately needs to make a tag here. I don't know. It's going to be tough to make it to the corner. No, man, what a hit. Knocked right off the apron. This is what makes him so dangerous. This could be it.
Bici araña, llegó tu telaraña. Mira, malo. Y se la viola. Ya me cansaste, ¿sabes? Ríndete, Danilo, ríndete. Te dije que te rindas, Danilo.
Interesting choice of moves. But he's running on fumes here. He's on for the pin. This could be it. He's going for it all. It's incredible. There's the cover. Can he do it? Drake tags in. Missed by a large margin on that one. Wow, he's better than that. He misses there. You just can't miss by that much, Cole. Drake's starting to sweat. This tag team match can get out of hand quickly if he doesn't mount an offense soon. It looks to me like his partner's itching to get in there. And now might be a good time to give him what he wants. The good news for him is that his opponent's offense is likely packing a little less of a punch, considering all the damage he was able to inflict earlier in this match. Down with a powerbomb. This is his opportunity. He should have quick pin attempt. That's a classic textbook maneuver. And Byron, he's still down after that one. Yeah, that did some big time damage, Michael. I think this man needs business. Step ahead on that one. Drake's fading here. His hopes of winning this tag team match are starting to dwindle. At this point, they appear to be about evenly matched. They may have given him an edge. Nobody comes back from this. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Ahí está, la va a responder la nota.
His signature slam. This one's over, guys. Gonna have to get back in the ring here, guys. Running out of time. Now he reverses it.
No le gustó esto, Robin.
Back in the ring again. Oh, man, what a hit. Knocked right off the apron. Oh, no, he's taken down. No, I don't think he has much left. Clobbers it with the axe handle. That one was off the mark. Awful. Just plain awful. Oh, boy, he is rolling. He wants it one more time. Top slam. Did you see the height on that one?
Contá, puta, ahorita.
Incoming.
Estoy harto de atacar a estos imbéciles.
A lot of pride on the line here in this tag team encounter. Only two of these competitors, I can't tell you how many victims have suffered the same fate. Game, set, match. This one is over.
Está cansado, homero, muchacho.
Nice as nice. Byron, he may be down for good. That wouldn't surprise me at all. Not after the beating he's taken. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks. Oh, and he's still there. Look out! He is a one-man gang in there. Oh, God. That was hitting the nail right on the head. If he takes many more of those, he's going to get lit up like a Christmas tree.
Homero malo puede contra ellos.
Looking for Michael. And there's yet another flying forearm.
Puede contra ellos.
The frequency of this move is becoming deliberate at this point, to say the least. Guys, it's imperative.
Si
He gets
pudo
back in the ring.
contra ellos.
Otherwise, he's looking at a count out. He gets it with a reversal.
¡Ha ganado! Homero y Robin. Homero, malo y Robin. Mirá cuántos finishes sufrió este y se lo bancó. Madre mía. Si les gustó el video, den manita arriba, suscríbanse al canal y déjenme sus comentarios. Nos vemos a otro video. Adiós. Ahora voy a tener mi cinturón de pareja con Robin, pero hay obstáculos. Pero no te preocupes, nosotros que nos vamos a prestar y jugar unos sorpresitas. Así que adiós, muchachos.